my name is Alex and I'm going to show you how to measure angles in Photoshop. So suppose you are going to be drawing on a file where you're going to print it out, and you want to make sure you know exactly how big your angle is, just so that if you're doing something specific like graphic design or photo enhancement or whatever, it's best to know your angles, especially if I draw this rectangle and I decide to put information in it and it's too small or too big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Window, or actually View, and all you have to do is select Rulers, or you can hit Command R, and right away it'll just give you your rulers on the side so you can actually measure how big your shape is. And so this is a true to size, not true to size, but this is how big a piece of paper 8.5 by 11 would be. So it's going to tell you on the side this is 11 inches by, and then there's 8.5 to the side. So now you know that this square is 8.5 inches long. That's how you measure it. My name's Alex and I just showed you how to measure angles in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.